TSM. Croatia?
What we did was we created international gathering, people who had studied TSM.
TSM community.
You, me, I, we.
No shame, no blame. No shame, no blame.
It was just the most miraculous experience. We didn't have any drinkers going on in our group, and everybody was still just like high from the love, from the connection. These were people who had been in groups together on Zoom during COVID, had never met each other.
You came here, and this is your first time. That's a sign of great curiosity.
They came from 12 different countries, and we all came together.
You have grown to trust yourself.
To just be the love that TSM is.
Just a minute.
None of us appreciate it. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
Look at me.
Everyone in the drama is doing their own drama.
And we had a wonderful, wonderful 5 days. And this drama is the beginning of it.
I love me.
And this little piggy is Mara, and this little piggy is Irina, and this little piggy is Peter, and oh, there's Stephen!